Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. Today I will show you that how to change your Roblox password. It's very simple, just follow the steps with me. Let's get started. To change your password, you need to log in first into your Roblox account and click on login. And then you need to go to more by clicking the three dots at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and find settings. Then go to account info. Now here we can see our display name, username, email address. Now you can see the password option here. To change your Roblox account password, just click on the pencil icon here at the right side of the password. Okay, so now you'll need to enter your current password. And then type the new password you need for your Roblox account. And now confirm your new password by typing it again. And once done, click on update. And that's it. You have successfully changed your Roblox password. Remember to keep your new password safe and secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Savvy for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.